forget to like and subscribe.
And hit the notification bell
so we can go to college and get more knowledge.
Look, I introduced myself earlier. I'm a kid from Kansas who, wears red, white, and blue on the 4th of July. The United States, look, I'm sure this is probably being streamed and recorded, but I'll do something I rarely do.
Disclaimer.
I rarely do this when I'm being recorded. The United States is fucked.
What's going on, everybody? It's Corey with the CBDC Assets Group. Thank you all for being a part of the group. Record amounts of XRP on the move. In the last 20 hours, 3 staggering chunks of XRP have been transferred, according to tweets posted by the crypto tracker mentioned above. Ripple Giant moved 50 million XRP, the smallest lump of these 3, to its reserve wallet, RL18VN, often used for transferring crypto beyond the company, to charities, exchanges, and financial institutions. The other 2 chunks of Ripple-affiliated tokens contain 163 million and 170 million. The total equivalent of the shifted XRP amount comprised roughly 370 million. Something big is happening. They're always moving big amounts. Whale Alert lets us know, but that's an incredibly large amount compared to the normal 100 million. All right. Big Brad, Bad Brad says, tribalism around Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is holding back the entire $2 trillion crypto market. Polarizing isn't healthy in my judgment, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse said in a CNBC-hosted fireside chat at Paris Blockchain Week Summit last week. Some digital coins have attracted quite a dedicated following, not the least Bitcoin, whose hardcore advocates are often referred to as maximalists. Twitter co-founder Jack Dorsey and Microsoft Strategy CEO Michael Saylor are among the so-called maximalists who support only Bitcoin and not other cryptocurrencies. Garlinghouse said such maximalism has meant the crypto industry has fractured representation when it comes to lobbying U.S. lawmakers. And he's got a point. The reason why he's saying this is because he doesn't want to be associated with the dirt on Bitcoin's name. And that's what the Maxis don't understand. They think he's crying because he's not winning. The truth is, he's trying to distance his company from the storm that's coming to Bitcoin. That's just my opinion. It's not financial advice. You do whatever you want to do with your money, but I'm just telling you, I've been seeing this coming for a long time. And if we look here, the Biden administration's digital asset executive order and its implications. There are 3 principal takeaways from this executive order. First, it acknowledges the exponential growth and opportunity that the digital asset ecosystem presents and outlines a policy interest in responsible financial innovation and the need for evolution and coordination to ensure that the United States continues to be a leader in this space. Second, the executive order identifies a number of perceived general risk areas that digital assets can pose on issues ranging from consumer products to national security to the environment. Third, to address these risks, the executive order tasked various federal agencies working in coordination to draft a host of reports, frameworks, and action plans to evaluate the various perceived challenges and opportunities presented by digital assets. Now, why am I telling you all that? Because look down here. This is the detailed description and the action plan frameworks and reports. This is the subject, the agency, supporting agencies, detailed description, and the due date within 90 days of June 7th. All these framework for international engagement. The framework for international engagement is already established with the ISO 20022 structure. They're just going to adopt that and build off of that. Crimes related to digital currency by September 5th. The future of money payment systems, September 5th. Environmental impact, financial stability, and look down here. financial stability, risk, and regulatory gaps, October 5th. CBDC research, Central Bank Digital Currency Research, Department of Justice, Treasury, Federal Reserve, whether legislative changes would be necessary to issue a United States CBDC, Central Bank Digital Currency, within 180 days. That will put us at September 5th. See the fall coming in the executive orders of the president? Everything seems to pan out in the fall. Everything. So I say September because September is the minimum, and according to the charts, that would put us right at about September 6th, in between September 6th and the 10th. I'm not big on dates, but the technical analysis is pointing to September, and I just think it's a coincidence. And this federal task force finding and issuance to the president, issuance from the White House, is going to make more. It just, to me, I always hear the blockchain backer in my head saying that price action is usually accompanied with news, whether it be lower price action, it's bad news, or higher price action, it's amazing news, right? And I just think that this is going to be some news that would be a reason for the altcoins to run, even though it coincidentally coincides with the retracement of Bitcoin and Ethereum on the charts. So I don't know. Could be crazy talk. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research. But I just thought people should definitely know that this is the date and the time and everything's lining up together. All right, well, that's it for me. You guys have a good one. I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe and smash that Balango Dango so you can be notified when I release another video. See you guys on the next one.